Ship motorcycle to Puerto Rico, tips and tricks for a successful experience. Shipping a motorcycle to Puerto Rico can be a complex process that requires careful planning and execution. Whether you are relocating to Puerto Rico, purchasing a motorcycle from the mainland, or selling a motorcycle to someone on the island, finding a reliable and trustworthy motorcycle transport company is crucial. At Cheap Motorcycle Shipping, we understand the importance of providing excellent customer service and delivering your motorcycle safely and on time. We pride ourselves on our commitment to customer satisfaction. From the moment you request a free quote through our online form to the final delivery of your motorcycle, we will keep you informed of the shipping process and provide excellent customer service with every step of the way. Our goal is to provide a nice, stable ride for your motorcycle shipping and deliver it in the same condition as when it was loaded onto the trailer. Call us today at 888-230-9776.